What if I told you that one of the largest financial markets in the world can be accessed directly from your phone or laptop? This market moves trillions of dollars every single day, and it's called the Forex market. But here's the reality. Most beginners lose money because they start trading without understanding how the market actually works. So in this video, let's understand Forex trading in the simplest way possible for beginners in India. Forex stands for foreign exchange. It simply means buying one currency and selling another currency. For example, if you think the US dollar will become stronger compared to the Indian rupee, you buy US dollars and sell Indian rupees. And if the market moves in your favor, you make a profit. If the market moves against you, you face a loss. In Forex, currencies are traded in pairs, like USD/INR, EUR/USD, or GBP/INR. In recent years, Forex trading has become very popular in India, especially among students, freelancers, and working professionals, because people are becoming more interested in global financial opportunities. But there's one important thing beginners must understand. Forex is not a quick money system. It is a skill. And every skill requires learning, patience, and discipline. One common question is Forex trading legal in India? Yes, it is legal. But it is regulated by RBI and SEBI. Indian traders are allowed to trade approved currency pairs through regulated exchanges. Using unregulated offshore platforms can be risky, so always choose trusted platforms. Now let's understand why most beginners fail. Not because the market is impossible, but because they enter with unrealistic expectations. No strategy, no risk management, and no emotional control. Many people think trading is easy money, but successful trading is all about discipline and consistency. That's why experienced traders always recommend starting with a demo account. A demo account lets you trade using virtual money in real market conditions, so you can learn without risking real capital. You understand how trades work, how the market moves, and how strategies perform. If you want to start Forex trading in India, follow these simple steps. Step 1. Learn the basics. Understand currency pairs, leverage, stop loss, and risk management. Step 2. Practice on a demo account. Take time to build confidence. And step 3. Start live trading with small capital. Never rush into trading. Choosing the right platform is also very important for beginners. A good platform should make learning simple and comfortable. This is where helps beginners get started with a beginner-friendly learning experience, with demo practice features and a simple onboarding process. So if you're planning to start Forex trading, don't focus only on profits. Focus on learning first. Practice consistently and build experience step by step. Because successful trading is not about luck. It's about discipline, patience, and smart decisions. And if you want a beginner-friendly way to begin, you can explore